Hello again. It's me, Jennifer, your grammar coach. My students email me a lot of questions. Let's look at a few of their questions. What great questions! What's the difference in verb forms? Yes, you got it. When we ask a question in the simple present, we need to use do or does. Use do with I, you, we, and they. Use does with he, she, and it. Let's look at a few more examples. Remember to use do or does plus subject plus the base form of the verb. Do I teach online? Do you work in a school? Does she study English? Does he check email every day? Do we have class today? Do they like to go online?